Guys, if you are planning to visit the island of Bonaire for the very first time and you are thinking about doing any form of excursions, all of these tents, these are where you do the excursion bookings. They are excursion office outside of the cruise ship center. Go on Caribbean Vibes family. Welcome to beautiful Bonaire. First thing, I want to find a nice local restaurant that is not so commercialized.
People come here, they make a video clip. They put in YouTube. And when they go back to America, they tell their friend to come here.
Awesome.
You from Jamaica?
Yes, sir.
Oh, because I have friends here from Jamaica also.
This is the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, listen, if you ask the older people, which one is the sweet one? The old-fashioned style or the new-fashioned style? The old one. Everyone says the old one is the sweet one. See, do you know what this is?
It's coal, charcoal.
Yeah, charcoal. But this is the wheel of the car.
Yes, that's the rim.
The rim, yeah.
Yeah.
and maybe the people, the factory, they make the wheel. Wow, they make grill also with my wheel.
Is it barbecue?
Yeah, we call it red chicken, eh?
These are the things that I'm talking about. Visiting a place that is not so commercialized, where you can get the food the old-fashioned way.
The old-fashioned
is always the best.
Yeah, because they use the wood, the charcoal, and you taste them. And you know what they do, the charcoal? They put onion also, they put in oil, vegetable oil together with them, like marinade.
Yes.
And when you put the fire, they smell. The charcoal smell with the garlic and with the onion. That is the whole combination with the charcoal.
Wide variety of street food you can choose from. Empanada burgers.
You put Indonesian reggae that you're gonna see. It's the same just like that Bob Marley.
Bob Marley is famous all over.
If you look in your telephone, you look Indonesian reggae, they show a lot. When they sing, you're gonna be crazy. The style of reggae. And if you look, hey, the music, no. If you listen to music one time, you want to listen every day.
Bob Marley has inspired the world.
Yeah.
Great man.
When I saw the people that dressing like Bob Marley with the dreadlock, with the style how they dance. But the language is Indonesian. But sometimes they mix it with English.
Indonesia have their own language, so they learn English.
Exactly. And when you look in YouTube, you see Indonesian reggae music. Now you see a lot of them. And when I saw that, wow, this is funny, man. This is funny. The whole vacation, I was looking at music.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, you too.
Yes, thank you. Caribbean Vibes Adventures.
Caribbean.
A lot of local food to try. Crater cake, Indonesian food. Caribbean Vibes family, what go on? Come with me guys, I will be checking out this restaurant called Pier. It's a restaurant that they have built on the ocean. Look at those little jellyfish in the water, guys. That's a big parrotfish down there. It's a huge parrotfish. Beautiful restaurant.
It is
Yeah.
indeed.
And what is the name of the restaurant
The
again?
restaurant name is Pier. It's a restaurant that was built in the end of 2024, so we can say it's a little bit new.
Yes.
They have a couple of history behind it, and it's a beautiful place indeed in Bonaire, inside Bonaire Island. Even at night, because some of the big fishes actually, like cartoon, they like to hunt at night. So since we have like some lights under the pier, they love to come here to get like the small fish.
Okay.
It's always like something interesting to see in the water.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course.
So I will check out the menu. Thank you.
Perfect. Let me know when you need something.
Yes, sir. What would you highly recommend it for visitors to try?
For food-wise, so since this is a pretty island, what we have the most is fresh fishes. So I think like the most important one that we definitely should try here is the fish, because we have a lot of variety of different fishes, all fresh, like even lobster, wahoo fish, mahi-mahi, so red snapper. You should definitely try one. And today in the restaurant we had a specific special. They come with most of these things in a dish. It's stuffed seafood bread though. It's a delicious dish that we have up here does. Yeah, they come with some lobster, white fish, different white fish like mahi-mahi, have red fish like red snapper, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and onion, garlic. This is very good to try it.
That is what you would recommend it for today, right?
That is exactly what we
Whatever you recommend, that's what I'm gonna have. Okay.
Yeah, you should definitely try it. You will love it.
I'm a huge seafood fan too. I love seafood. Anything from the ocean, you can never go
You
wrong.
can never go wrong, that's true.
You recommended this one, I will try it, please.
Sounds good for me.
Is this pigeon just walking past? It's picking up off the ground. Drinks is here. Looking good. Perfect. Thank you.
Welcome.
Snapper.
Snapper, I love snapper.
I'm a huge seafood
Me
fan.
too. I can have it every day, all day long. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
The meal is ready, guys. Beautiful view.
Great, isn't it?
This fish is mouth watering. I don't want to eat it. It's too beautiful.
Oh, look, I know that's a red snapper.
Yeah, that's a red
Yes, it's a red snapper.
This guy influenced me to buy order that snapper, so you gotta pay this guy.
I would definitely thank you. Well, thank you very much for that.
My fried snapper is here. Perfect. You can taste the salt, black pepper. Add a little splash fresh lime juice.
That's cool. Yeah, picture. You can, oh, man, the whole thing.
It's a windy day and Bonaire is known to be windy. I'm enjoying the atmosphere.
Caribbean vibe, and he does a great job videoing, trying restaurants and travel.
Even though I didn't get the meal that you were recommended to me, but this is perfect. I love anything from the ocean.
I'm very sad to know that you're going to enjoy this stuff seafood bread bowl, because you will definitely love that one, my man. For next time.
For next time, so save a bowl for me.
I will save it for you.
All
for
right.
real. Enjoy your fish, okay?
I'm definitely enjoying this fish. snapper is known to be clean fish, white meat. It's not over fried.
Wear it again. Inside joke.
This is my salsa.
It's an inside joke for eat and head.
Guys, this server was coming from a plate to take the best part of my meal, the fish. I'm like, sir, I'm not finished. You're about to take the best part of my fish. So I'm gonna dismantle this fish head. Sir,
Yeah?
this is the best part of the fish, the head. You see when you see when you eat fish head,
Very tasty.
you know what happened? You become so smart.
Fishes are very intelligent,
Of
Jay.
course,
They often forget after 3 seconds what they did. That's why they always swim around.
This is the best part,
And
man.
the eyeballs are good as well.
All of the fish is good. Good job to the chef. Perfect. Caribbean Vibes family, say hi to Marlet and Lisa.
Yes. We are enjoying your videos.
Thank you.
All the way from
Arkansas.
Welcome to the Caribbean.
We love this place. We love Jamaica too. Where you come from?
We're going to Jamaica soon. Let's go. So let's go. Come to the best part.
To make your own pasta, they really like.
Oh yeah, I would have their
Fish head. So good.
yeah, I share with people.
You've been to every part of Jamaica, man.
Yeah,
Every parishes.
yes, every parish. Yeah, the only place I haven't been yet is like the Blue Mountain area.
Beautiful up there.
Yeah. My closest was Port Antonio.
Have you ever visited the Blue Lagoon that is in
Yes,
Portland?
of course. Oh my gosh. What I did was I got in the Blue Lagoon and I put the minerals all over my body and let the sun soak for me. Let it, like, I sat there for probably like maybe an hour. Got all the minerals all over my body. That's
Perfect.
what keeps me young.
Yeah?
Really good. Actually, I felt so rejuvenated afterwards.
You should think about moving to Jamaica.
Yes, I am.
Of course, why not?
That's mine.
Yes.
That's mine.
All right.
Yeah.
You influenced her to get this.
You influenced me to get this, and I was not even hungry. So
I'm telling you, you won't regret it.
Caribbean Vibes, follow him.
Beautiful. The Caribbean is famous for seafood. I love lobster, I love conch, every single thing from the ocean. Sir was like, are you finished? No, you murdered the fish.
You go get whatever you want.
Fish is so fresh. Always good tasting the beautiful Caribbean seafood. Fresh fish from the ocean. Working on the fish.
But you know what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could probably.
You like it. You work on the head of the fish too. That's how I do it.
I ate around it. There's a lot of collagen in it. What my friend said,
I eat everything, the eyeball, the head, the
even part
brain.
of the bones, of the bones.
Good job.
Thank you, man. The fish,
Tasty, huh?
the fish said it all, but the service is top notch. Respect.
Climb the ladder.
Yes. Beautiful decor. Thanks again, sir.
Anytime, anytime.
Thanks again, man.
You're welcome, brother.
Respect, man. Thanks for the service,
Enjoy the
man.
rest of your trip, yeah?
Beautiful. Thank you,
You
man.
on the ship?
Yes.
Good job.
Meal was good.
Nice.
Yes.
Happy long life.
Same to you. See you guys soon.
That's nice.
Yes. Respect, man.
See you back, yeah?
Yes.